What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Say So by Doja Cat. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll double suplex your grandma off the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E minor 7. It's going to be, you're going to bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Then ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string and middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. You're going to go to an A7, very similar formation, bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of the A, and then your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G. Then a D major 7, still barring the 5th fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is going to go to the 7th fret of the D, your middle finger is on the 6th fret of the G, and your pinky is on the 7th fret of the B string. And then finally you need a B7, bar the entire, it's the same exact formation as your A7, you're just sliding it to the 7th fret, so bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 9th fret of the A, and your middle finger is on the 8th fret of the G. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Arguably, the strumming pattern is the hardest part of this song, especially if you're a beginner. The easiest way to start is just by strumming down strums on each chord, starting with your E minor. It's going to be down, down, down. Switch to your A7, down, down, down. 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 That's the easiest way in the very beginning if you're a 100% beginner. So if you're a little bit more of a intermediate player, you can start to add in, all it is kind of like some muted strumming that they're kind of doing in between. You can mix it up however you want. It sounds really cool if you add some muted strums in between the actual strumming pattern. So you will start with that. And then like the next level of the strumming pattern would be down, down, up, up, down. So the same thing here. What I'm doing there is I'm holding the chord down for a down strum, lifting my fingers up to mute for a down strum, putting them back on for an up strum, and then muting for an up strum, holding back onto them for a down strum. So down, down muted, up muted, down. Now what that looks like when you play them with the chords is starting here, it's all down strums, and then you can add a muted down strum before you switch if you want. That down, down, up, up, down. Again, down, down, up, up, down. And then once you get that down, you can really just kind of add any little down, up, down, like any little muted strumming in between the chords to give it that kind of like funky feel. Down, up, down is what I'm doing right there. Down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, down. And like you can do just a down, down, up. You can do down, down, up. Down. Down, down, up. Down. It's up to you to kind of like feel it out, play it however you want. That's more of the intermediate advanced style strumming pattern. But again, the easiest way to strum it and the way that you should practice it as a beginner is just down 3 times. Add a little muted down strum before you go down, down, up, up, down. One more little muted strum. Down, down, down. Down, down, up, up, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.